There's a monologue I wrote about my mom. It's a little exaggerated, but not too much. Anyway, just no title really. Hold on. I remember Mom. No, not the person she is now. I'm not saying she's a different person. She's just different now. I remember when she was funny and happy and just Mom. I know she can't help it, and I try not to take things to heart. We used to be close, and I felt like she was my mom. Not only my mom, but my friend. We would do things together. Like go to dinner and just spend time together. Now she barely even remembers my name. I used to be able to talk to Mom. But now she's confused. Now she gets confused. Or she'll ask me something she did and I'll tell her. And then she doesn't believe me. And goes as far as calling me a liar. One day she got so mad at me. And then a few hours later she had no memory of it at all. She was fine. But I was still hurt. But it don't matter. She can't help it. To be there for her. She doesn't need anyone. But you gotta love her. She's still Mom.